just don't get around.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is because everybody keeps saying keep on bringing those baking videos, keep them bringing, keep them bringing, keep them bringing. Y'all know what I mean. Keep them coming, keep them bringing. That means bring them on, bring them on, bring them on. Anyways, I'm getting ready to make a 7-Up cake. Literally all you need is like 7 or 8 ingredients. And so let me show you the ingredients that you will end up needing for this cake. So, all right, so you can't see it, but back there's eggs, there's oil, there's 7-Up. This one I pulled out of our refrigerator because babe already drunk some just yesterday, and I'm like, I need it for my 7-Up cake. So I might not use this one, but I did pull this one out because it's brand new. You need 1 box of yellow cake mix. You need 1 4-ounce box of the lemon pudding, and then you need 2 cups of powdered sugar. For the glaze, you need lemon juice, and you need milk. So I also went ahead and pulled out the measuring cups and the measuring spoons for this. So let's get it started. Okay, so you need large white eggs. You need a total of 4 for this recipe here. So just simply take them and crack them and put them into the bowl first. Next, you're gonna add in 3/4 of the Sprite. You wanna add in 3/4 of the vegetable oil. Mix both of those things up. Just mix them up really good. Next, you want to add in the cake box and the lemon pudding. Mix all of those things together. All right, so you want to spray your bundt pan down with some cooking spray, baking spray, and then you're going to put some flour around it just so that it won't stick to the pan as well. Pour in your mixture, going around to just kind of give it that even part to the 7-Up cake. All right, so your oven should be on 325, and it's going to go in the oven. So in the meantime, while it is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get the glaze ready. So all you need for the glaze is powdered sugar, the lemon juice, and milk. 2 cups of these. Powdered sugar, that is. All right, so now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into this. All right, so now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of milk into the batter to make the glaze. So you're just going to stir up the glaze together while checking in on the 7-Up cake. Just a couple more minutes and it will be ready. So you have your powdered sugar, your vanilla, and your milk mixed into make the glaze, and you are just going to make sure that there's no clumps. Cake is ready to come out. Let it sit for at least like 15 to 20 minutes. Give it time to cool off. I just put it onto this aluminum pan so I would not have to wash it after. So all you have to do is just glaze it after it has cooled down. So yes, I finally made the 7-Up cake. Boom. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below what other baking or cooking videos you would love to see from me. Let me know what kind of recipe you want me to try and throw out there next, what you want me to try. Just comment it down below. But thanks guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed me making the 7-Up cake. I'm definitely gonna enjoy it because I'm having a piece right after dinner. So y'all have a good one.